friends, Pia Share again. Thanks for all of your support and likes. Today I am here with a new recipe of no oil baked snack dish which can be made without no time. This is grilled Bharwan Paneer tomato which is easy to quick and it's prepared in a microwave. So let's check what the ingredients are. First it's a tomato, then corn, then it is some cheese, the carrots, it's grated, I grated it. This is paneer, this is salt, sugar. If you don't prefer sugars, then just avoid this. And this is coriander leaves. This is my hot Kashmiri red chili powder, but you can give any kinds of red chili powder. And this is lemon. So first what I have to do, this sides, if I turn this like this sides, if you just it will be just shaking, right? So what we have to do this, cut a little like this one and just place it in the plate like that. So they can't move from their place. Yes. Now what to do, you need a spoon which has sharp edges. Okay. Now just first cut a little bit with it with the knife. Yes. And now scoop it out properly. They are very tender, so be very gentle while you are scooping. Yes, as you can see that I have scooped all the juice of it, and okay, yeah, I have scooped it, and now I have just save it for any of your another dishes or anything you want to cook. So now I have get a pocket inside it. What you have to do, you have to just do the same with other tomatoes. Yeah, just scoop them very gently, otherwise the skin will just tear. Scoop out the inside juice of it. Here I got the pockets. Squeeze out. You can do anything with this juice. You can make a puree or use it in your any food dish like chicken or like paneer or like anything you want to make with tomato. Just preserve them. Don't just throw them out. Okay, so you can, I don't like the wastage, so please preserve them. Now what I have to do, while I'll have this, just sprinkle some salt over it, as you can see, and few drops of my lemon juice. Now what I have to do, I am taking this paneer over here in a mixing bowl, my grated carrots, frozen corns, any brand you like, coriander leaves. I like in my veg recipes for some sugars, but if you don't like sugar, just avoid this step. Some salt, and for color I am mixing 1 or 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri mirch. Just smash the paneer. You can use chicken or any fish items with for Bharwan or for stuffings, but today I am showing you with paneer stuffing, but you can use the chicken stuffings too. And in that case you have to first prepare the chicken stuffing. On my another video I will show you how to make the chicken stuffing or fish stuffing, okay? But for today I am using paneer stuffing because there is no need of any kinds of pre-cook of paneer. It is already cooked, and as you can see my paneer stuffing is ready. Now what I have to do, I just scoop them inside. They are colorful, they are tasty and healthy too. Stuffed it as much as you can, push them a little bit, yeah. Follow this with every stuffing. You can use potato also. If you don't like paneer, you can use mushrooms. Even sometimes if there is a guest who like to eat any sweet dishes. As you can see, I have stuffed all of my tomatoes here, and now what I have to do, I just take my cheese and just or you can design it. I have to do a little amount of it. Yes, I have already stuffed them. Now what you have to do, I'm going to grill my tomatoes. So I have to, in my grill plate, I have to place them like that. I'm taking my high rack, open my machine and just put them, sorry, inside of it. And in my grill option, I have to set it for 10 minutes, and now start. Only remaining few seconds here, so I am waiting to come up of, okay, it stopped, and you can see, wow, be careful because it's too hot. Yes, but for your demo I have to, yes, you can see the skins of the outside of my tomato has all done, and here is this crispiness of the cheese. And for my kid, I just decorate it with few more cheese on the top, and some coriander leaves. Yes, I can smell the roasted tomato. Is very tomato has a very antioxidant properties, so as you can see that it is very much of good in for health, and for also it is very good for your skin and it's tasty too. Just serve it hot just like that, and there are some juices over here. There is no oil, but still I have got some vegetable or juice of tomatoes over here, and they are all crispy. So present it with as a snacks to your kids and to your family, and just enjoy the food. Thank you.